Hello and welcome to my sunny windy plot. So today I'm going to tell you how I repair my EnviroMesh. So for my garlic and my onion structures I use the same EnviroMesh every year, so it's better for my cost really. So I'll show you how. So this is my garlic covered with EnviroMesh. Leave mine around, so you can see here it's a bit of a hole. A few smaller ones, so I'm not overly happy with these. Flies can easily get in, so first of all I shall cut a strip. See, I've got a lot of excess here, so I can easily cut bits off it. The end bits are better because they're tighter, so let's cut a strip. Go. So the other thing you need is this contact adhesive or flexible adhesive. Doesn't matter what make you use. But this one's waterproof and it's flexible, so it's pretty good. You can see there it's plastic. So yep. Just doing one side. It's pretty strong stuff. I'll show you some previous repairs that I've done that have lasted a few years. And that's it, one done. Okay, with smaller holes. There's one there, you can just see it. Don't even have to use patches, you can just use bits of glue. There you go, job done. So the onion bed's done, so that's from last year. That's from last year, this year. Last year, and then there's a bit of a rip there, so that's this year. So use the decent glue, flexible, not brittle. It's last year for a while.